So perimenopause is naturally occurred to people, to female. After 35 years old, our hormone level began to decline, our estrogen, right? So it's a natural way, but for most of us didn't realize. We don't know why suddenly we began to have so many issues. Irregular period, night sweating, hot flashes, and all those very moody, right? And the stomach cannot lose the belly fat, no energy, fatigue, skin is very dry. So we don't know what's the reason. We think maybe I'm so psychologically had some issues. Actually, it's not. It's just a hormone. It's naturally happened. So make sure talk to your doctor and could request a hormone test. And some doctor maybe give you a hormone replacement therapy, maybe. Depends, right, on certain condition. And of course, we already know why now seems so early people began to have these symptoms. So seems before 2 to 10 years before the totally period stop, people began to have these symptoms. That's why we call it perimenopause. Before we know something about menopause, I have no period, right? But now people begin to have symptoms. 2 to 10 years, up to 10 years, already have those symptoms. So Chinese medicine, we are thinking is related to liver and kidney energy. So for example, that people are very moody, they have PMS, this is related to liver qi blockage, right? And then we're getting older, when we're aging, the kidney energy declined. So this kidney energy related to reproductive systems. Then people began to have all those symptoms. So what we can do, we have some herbal remedy we call the phytoestrogen, for example, like a white yam, for example, or Chinese yam, like Chinese yam. This is very good for perimenopause people. So one of the popular, it's kind of food too. So Chinese yam is dry one. So it's a very popular herbs also for treating perimenopause. Of course, we have so many other like hawthorn, like the dried mandarin skins and lily bulb. So all those could offer some relief. And of course, acupuncture that offer great help to balance your energy, to balance your hormone level. Because for perimenopause, some is too high, some is too low. It's always imbalance, right? So make us have so many symptoms, mentally and physically. That's why we have to pay more attention, be more aware what's happening to our body, mentally and physically, especially for the female after 35 years old. So if you do have some symptoms, don't blame yourself, say, oh, why I'm so moody, why seems like small things I begin to feel upset, right? It's not because I'm moody or because I'm sensitive. It's just this natural happiness hormone. So try to be more aware of it and take action, and then be patient. Be patient means you have to do something, right, to change. For example, you have to do a lot of more exercise, fast walking, muscle strengthening exercise, do meditation, and go to bed before 11. That's also very important. Moderate your stress level. Let go. We have to begin to let go a lot of things gradually. And certain food probably should not eat that much at all, like the spicy food, deep fried foods, all those deep processed carbs like white sugar. This probably should pay attention. And eat more whole food, like the cooked vegetables. And I do share some exercise, like self-acupressure exercise, could offer some relief of those symptoms. Maybe I could show you now. So first, put your 2 hands together, put under your belly button here. Move in a circular motion clockwise, like massage 36 times. Or you could massage 100 times if you have time. So this area is the Zen meridians that, according to Chinese medicine, regulate our hormone level. So this and a lot of points on our leg. So here, this one, especially you have belly fat, right? You have very slow metabolism. Sometimes you have this nausea, dizziness. So this is very good. And then this point, this deep, big bone behind there, there's a deep Tai Chi. I could press 36 times or 1 or 2 minutes. And then another point, 3 fingers above this point called Fu Liu. Also I could press 1 or 2 minutes. And then another very important point, this is Tai Chi, right? 4 fingers above. We call it San Yin Jiao. Also acupress 1 or 2 times, 1 or 2 minutes. So these 3 points are very important for hormone regulation too, especially have hot flashes, night sweating. That's very good. And then another point, very, very important, is here. So this is a big toe, second toe. Here, Tai Chong is a liver meridians. Very good, especially are very moody. You seem to get angry easily. So that could calm down. So by doing this exercise, this acupressure exercise could help us relieve those symptoms, make us easier to get back to our normal life, right? Regulate our hormone level, regulate our period. One thing I maybe could emphasize, personally, I don't suggest people taking those birth control pills, especially people, for example, some doctors, they don't know, they maybe give you the birth control pills. Probably that will make the perimenopause symptoms even worse. So try to avoid as much as you can, if possible. Following are superfoods for reducing the symptoms of perimenopause, like Chinese yam, walnut, deep ocean fish, flaxseed, black sesame, and all green leaf vegetables.